हाय एवरीवन, माय नेम इज राहुल एंड वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। सो आज के इस वीडियो में हम लोग बात करेंगे व्हाट इज एआई एजेंट्स एंड वी विल आल्सो टॉक अबाउट हाउ वी कैन क्रिएट दीज एआई एजेंट्स एंड व्हाट डिफरेंट अवेलेबल फ्रेमवर्क्स वी हैव। ओके, सो एआई एजेंट्स क्या होते हैं और जनरेटिव एआई और एआई एजेंट्स में क्या डिफरेंस है, वी विल टॉक अबाउट दिस। ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस पर्टिकुलर वीडियो। So recently, this particular AI agent term is a fascinating word, and it is being hyped more and more. Okay, everybody is talking about AI agents. AI agents क्या होते हैं? How does these AI agents work? Okay. So before that, to understand what are these AI agents, let's understand what is a generative AI. Okay. So when these LLMs came into the picture, like जब ये LLMs आए, so what happened? What we actually do, we provide prompts. Okay, अपन उसको prompts देते थे, and based on these prompts, what we will get, we will be able to get the output, get the certain output. This is what we do. So prompt engineering is also there in this AI agents, but when we are talking about Gen AI or generative AI, we are doing, we are just putting some prompts into the LLM. We are giving some prompt into the LLM, and based on that prompt, it is providing some output. This is what we are doing in generative AI. So in this generative AI, we have these LLMs are only capable of certain generation, certain type of generation, that is generation. It can only do generations like, first we have image generation. Okay, image generation, then we have text generation, and third we have video generation, and so on. Okay, basically it can also do the code generation भी कर सकता है. So this is the only limitation with Gen AI, that generative AI can able to do the generation part, but it is not able to access any of the tools. Okay, it could not do these things. So this is the limitation for generative AI. So now after that this AI agents came into the picture. AI agents. And now every time there is a question that these generative AIs or these LLMs are not able to directly use any of the tools. Okay, not able to use the tools as in कोई एक्सटर्नल वेब सर्च नहीं कर सकता था। अगर आपको कोई डेटाबेस की एंट्री करनी है, it will not go and create entries into the databases. So these are few things which is occurring. Okay, now now when these agents came into the picture, okay, these agents came into the picture, what it does, what when so these agents are basically the LLMs with tools. Okay, tools कैसे tools? Okay, like आपने इसको एक prompt दिया, and based on this particular prompt, what it does, it can do multiple things. Like it can do a web search. Okay, it can do a web search. Similarly, it can do a, now we can have a tool which can do a RAG search. Okay, RAG is basically retrieval augmented generation. Okay, so basically we store embeddings into the vector databases, and based on those vector and those based on those information, the LLMs create some output. Okay, we are not able to do that, or let's suppose if we want to execute some of the queries, we are not able to execute this queries into a database. Okay, database query executor, well, we can't able to do that. Okay, and this is the one of the problem which we are facing. Okay, now when these AI agents came into the picture, when we provide prompts to this particular LMs based on its react nature. Okay, based on this, based on its react nature. Okay, react is basically reaction plus action nature. Okay, it's kind of a chain of thoughts. Okay, so based on this particular react nature, what it does, it will do some analysis, it will do some thinking, and it will check that do we have any tools for that particular web search, or do we have any tool for any of the RAG search, or do we have any tool for data query executor? So ऐसे different work LLMs cannot directly do. Okay. Okay. So what are the use cases? So these are the basically this is our AI agent where what we do, we give the prompt, and prompt we give the prompt to LLM. LLM will do the thinking and reaction and thinking. It will do it, and based on that, it will use the tools. This is what a AI agent do. Okay, and that is the basic structure of a AI agent. Now, what are the use cases? Okay, what are the use cases for this particular AI agents? So the use cases of this particular user agents are, first we can have a sales agent. Okay, sales agent where you give some task and it will work as a sales agent. Okay, let's suppose diet generator, diet AI agent. So what it will do? It will, based on your demographics, based on your weights, body demographics or body measurements, it will create a diet for you. Okay, or suppose in the IT industries, you can have a resume viewer agent. Okay, so this particular list is on and on. Okay, we do not have any limitations of these use cases. There are multiple use cases. Now the question is what are the different frameworks? Okay, frameworks for this. So we have different frameworks. Like first we have is LangChain and LangGraph. LangChain and LangGraph. Secondly, we have Crew AI. Then we have Agno. So these are some, or if you go for a low code no code platform, then we have N8N. N8N. Okay, so there basically we have to do the drag and drop, and based on that we can create an AI agent. So this particular video will be all about, so I'm going to create a basic agent, AI agent, using a LangChain, that how we can give prompts, how we can create a chain, how memory is being saved in that particular chain. So we are going to do that. Okay. So this whole series will be all about lang chains and the different component like output parsers, chains, what are LCL languages, okay, LCEL languages. So we will talk about all of these things in this particular series. So please do watch this video, this particular series for creating. We will create chatbots, we will create our AI agents, different AI agents, and we will understand about what a different type of agents we have. We have a React agent, we have a zero shot agent, we have a few shot agent. So we will talk about these, and we will talk about agent executors, okay, and how we can output those data, like how we can uh, uh, format these data, okay, which will be provided by LLM. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. This video will be all about this particular. Uh, I will create a basic AI agent using LangChain in the next video.